The Lexus LFR, often whispered about as the GT3, for over a decade. We have mourned the LFA. We missed that screaming V10 that sounded like a Formula One car from the 90s. We missed the obsessive, almost irrational engineering perfection. While the Germans dominated the Nürburgring and the Italians dominated the posters, Lexus went quiet. But the silence is OVR. Lexus is preparing the spiritual successor to the LFA, and they are developing alongside their dedicated GT3 race car based on the stunning GR GT3 concept. This is not a showroom car trying to be a racer. This is a homologation special. This is a Le Mans competitor, forced to wear a license plate. The design is sharp, aggressive, and distinctly Japanese. It follows a folded paper aesthetic, with creases and angles that look they were cut by a master swordsman's katana. The proportions are classic, yet exaggerated. The hood is impossibly long, pushing the cabin back over the rear axle in a dramatic cab, rearward stance. The rear is dominated by a massive, adjustable wing and a diffuser that looks like it was stolen directly from the Super GT series. Test mules have been spotted with aggressive side, exit exhausts, spitting heat just behind the front wheels. It is wider than anything currently in the Lexus showroom. It squats on the tarmac, low, menacing, and looking ready to pounce. It doesn't look pretty, it looks purposeful. Inside, expect a cockpit that prioritizes absolute focus over traditional luxury. While it will have the premium leather and Alcantara you expect from the Lexus badge, the layout will be surgically driver-centric. We are talking about a minimalist dashboard that rejects clutter, deep carbon, bucket seats that hold you like a vice during high G cornering, and a steering wheel that connects your nervous system directly to the front tires. The technology will be there. Likely a digital cluster focused on tire temps and lap times. But it will fade into the background. The focus here is the sacred connection between man and machine. Powering the Samurai is expected to be a newly developed 4-liter twin-turbo V8, paired with a performance hybrid system. Rumors from the paddock suggest this powertrain will push out near 900 horsepower. That is hypercar territory. But unlike the silent EVs, Lexus knows we are addicted to sound. They worked with Yamaha on the acoustics of the LFA, and they know the stakes are high. Engineers are tuning this V8 to deliver a visceral, mechanical cry that rivals the best of Europe. The hybrid system is not here for fuel economy. It is here for violence. It provides instant torque fill, eliminating turbo lag entirely and launching the car out of corners with frightening immediacy. And because it is a Lexus, you know the engineering will be over-delivered. It will start every morning. It will not leak oil on your driveway. It will be bulletproof reliability. Strapped to a rocket ship, the driving feel is being tuned on tracks around the world by master drivers, including the spirit of Akio Toyoda himself. The goal is engagement. Steering that vibrates with information. Carbon ceramic brakes that stop the rotation of the Earth. It is expected to cost significantly less than the LFR did, likely landing in the $200,000 range. Aiming to steal buyers directly from the Porsche 911 GT3 RS and the AMG GT Black Series. The Lexus LFR is the return of the warrior. It is proof that Japan is not just playing the game. They are coming to win it.